Welcome to my channel. Today we dive into one of the most thrilling and aggressively styled machines in the world of supersport, motorcycles. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R. This bike has earned a legendary reputation among riders for delivering explosive power, razor-sharp handling, and that unmistakable ninja attitude. So let's get straight into the heart of what makes the ZX6R such a dominating icon on the streets and the track. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R is more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement of pure performance and engineering excellence. Built for riders who crave adrenaline and precision, this machine brings the perfect blend of power, technology, and aerodynamic design. The moment you look at the ZX6R, you immediately notice its aggressive front fascia, sharp lines, and aerodynamic fairings that slice through the wind with ease. Kawasaki has given this bike a design that doesn't just look fast, it feels fast, even when standing still. At the core of the ZX6R lies its powerful inline-four engine, a masterpiece tuned for explosive mid-range torque and high-revving excitement. As soon as you twist the throttle, the bike responds with a surge of energy that pushes you forward with incredible force, giving you a riding experience that is both thrilling and addictive. Whether you're overtaking traffic on the highway or launching out of a corner on a track, the engine delivers seamless acceleration and extraordinary performance. Kawasaki's engineering ensures that the power delivery is smooth, controlled, and ready to unleash whenever the rider demands it. One thing riders absolutely love about the ZX6R is its handling. Thanks to its lightweight chassis, advanced suspension system, and razor-sharp steering response, cornering on this bike feels effortless. You almost become one with the machine as it leans into turns with confidence and precision. The bike's aerodynamics play a major role here as well, keeping it stable even at high speeds. And with Kawasaki's advanced traction control and riding modes, the ZX6R lets you push the limits while still maintaining a high level of safety and control. The braking system on this bike is equally impressive. Equipped with powerful dual front disc brakes and advanced ABS, the ZX6R offers the kind of stopping power you need when riding a machine of this caliber. Whether you're riding in the city or taking on winding mountain roads, the brakes give you the confidence to slow down quickly and safely whenever needed. The ZX6R isn't just about raw performance. Kawasaki has also focused on rider comfort and ergonomics. The seating position is sporty, yet comfortable enough for longer rides. The digital analog instrument cluster provides all essential information clearly, giving the rider complete awareness and control. The overall build quality is top-notch, reflecting Kawasaki's attention to detail and commitment to creating motorcycles that stand the test of time. In the world of supersport machines, the TC